Logitech Meetup was a real game changer for us when it came into the market. It filled a space that previously didn't have a product for a huddle room. So Meetup really was the first conference cam product that had everything off the desk and everything in an all-in-one unit. So you've got the speaker, you've got the mic, you've got the camera, all very high quality and everything off the desk. That's particularly important in a huddle space where maybe the desktop might be quite small, and the last thing you want is a speaker to take up room there. So Meetup was refreshing and it filled that gap in the market.
Tap is a really nice digital display addition to everything that we do. Tap actually gives you a really nice one-touch ability to go into a pre-selected meeting, or you can go and select a meeting. Nice and straightforward, very well positioned within the table. The most important thing with Tap, in some rooms, the best place for it is to actually be on the wall next to the screen. So what you get is a very versatile product that can either be on the desk or on the wall, but it is for one touch step into a meeting.
I think one of the main benefits for customers to use a solution like the Logitech Rally solution for those larger meeting spaces is that end users can walk into those spaces and feel instantly comfortable. If they're using a laptop to join, they do that in exactly the same way as they would do in a smaller space. If they are utilizing the Logitech Tap solution, they walk in and they press one button. Rally provides crystal clear video and fantastic audio. The end user can sit back and concentrate on what they're doing rather than having to be an AV whiz and actually run the VC call.